What's up, Voyagers? Welcome to another episode, and today we're in our namesake park.
We're at Voyageurs National Park, but unfortunately Voyagers here were Canadian fur traders, so we won't be killing animals today.
No.
Not today.
No, but we will be out hiking and we're going to do a little kayaking. So it's been a while since we put the kayaks in the water, and this place is supposed to be absolutely stunning.
It looks like the majority of the park is actually accessible only by boat, so we're going to do a little hike here to maybe get an idea of what kind of terrain we're working with, and then we're going to hit the water and maybe go swimming. It's supposed to be hot today. I don't know. And maybe we'll see some wildlife. There's beer.
Freudian slip.
There are beavers, there are moose, there's even bears here in this area, so maybe we see something cool. Here's hoping. Let's go.
Let's go.
So already it's beautiful in here. And it actually reminds me a little bit of Isle Royale National Park that we just hiked the other day. Really green, really small trails, but absolutely beautiful. And this is our 15th national park. We're checking them off. We've got all of the East Coast ones done, and we're heading west next to hit the rest. Tropical in here. It's like we're hiking in a rainforest. It is dense too, which means the mosquitoes are out in full force.
Just trying not to kill myself on the roots back here.
Yeah, the trail is rugged. There's a lot of tree roots that are slippery, a lot of rocks. It's very teeny tiny little area carved out for us to walk through, but it is gorgeous. Now it's time to go kayaking. And we're in this little like cove area, and there's supposed to be beavers and otters, which we've seen like some little heads popping up and a little bit of commotion in the water. And there's this fish. It's like a catfish, and there's all these lily pads in the water. And this catfish, I don't know if it's actually a catfish. He looks like one. He's got whiskers and everything, but he's like sitting at the top of the water underneath, with his head underneath a lily pad. And at first I thought it was a dead fish, because I was like, oh great. Yeah, here he is. Look at him. Look at his tail. And he's just like chilling at the surface.
Stick that GoPro in there.
He's coming right at me. That's wild. I stuck the GoPro in and he came right at me, so hopefully that turned out cool. It's amazing how interesting a fish can be, especially to somebody who isn't trying to kill them. There's lots of dragonflies. There's lotus flowers out here. It's beautiful. Very pretty. Or beaver hunting, like the Voyagers, hence the name of the national park. But the difference is we only shoot animals with our cameras. And I'd love to get a little beaver on camera. These bugs are out of control. Or a little otter, or a beaver. Pretty sure we saw a beaver dam. Not really sure. There's also supposed to be eagles out here too. Very cool. What's up, everyone? So apparently we did not film an outro for this video. One thing I will say, watching this back and having edited it, I wish that we had rented a boat to go out ourselves or taken one of the tours that the national park offers. That would have been sweet to get out on the water a little bit more than we did with the kayaks. They even have houseboats. Like, how fun would that have been for us to put 5 cats, a dog, and a chicken on a houseboat and gone tooling around in the water? That would have been sweet too. So maybe sometime we'll come back up to that area, because I know we did want to maybe check out Isle Royale National Park one more time. So who knows, maybe Minnesota is back on our list. So if this is your first time watching our videos, thank you for joining us. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can keep up with our adventures. If you've been watching all along, thanks so much for your support. Make sure you hit that little bell icon. It's a notification that'll tell you every time we release a new video. And make sure you smash that like button, because it helps our engagement. So thanks so much for watching. Leave us any comments down below. Let us know if you like this video. And we will see you next time. See you later. Bye.